Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima, the morning news read by Ketholeno. A team from the Directorate of Health and Family Welfare, led by the Principal Director, visited Kifire, Zunuboto and Mokokchung districts to oversee the designated COVID-19 hospitals and interacted with the district administration and district health officials. Informing this in a release, Nagaland government spokesperson for COVID-19, Minister Nibakronu, said that till 5 p.m. yesterday, 41 samples of suspected cases have been sent for testing from the state, while 32 tests have been negative. Another 9 results are awaited. He said that altogether 3,332 persons are presently under quarantine. As regard the tracking of the individuals who had reportedly attended religious congregation in Nizamuddin, New Delhi, Kronu said that, as a matter of abundant caution, both the Health Department and the State Control Room for COVID-19 have been separately tracking the persons so that a comprehensive exercise gets done. The reports of the exercise done by both have been further cross-checked, he said, adding that till now, out of 70 persons in the list, contact could be established with 62 persons, out of which 22 are presently in the state. Among the 22, he said, only 2 were found to have attended the congregation and they are under facility quarantine, while their samples have tested negative. The remaining are those who either crossed that area or were in the vicinity of that place, and all are asymptomatic. In this, the minister further asked the people from Nagaland who attended the religious congregation at Nizamuddin and have not been contacted by the department to voluntarily report to the respective deputy commissioner. Kronu also said that the daily wage workers and migrant workers and other vulnerable sections who are facing hardships due to the lockdown measures in the state are being provided with food and in some cases shelter too. He said on an average, more than 3,000 people are being provided with food daily and 346 persons have also been housed in relief camps and shelters. Leader of opposition in Nagaland, T.R. Zeleng, has stressed on the necessity for all to follow precautionary measures, guidelines, instructions and directives on COVID-19 which are being disseminated by both the central and state government. In a message, Zeleng said it is of paramount importance that the state government comes up with prudent and pragmatic measures to handle COVID-19 instances in case of an outbreak in any district of the state. Expressing that Nagaland has reported 0 COVID-19 cases so far, Zeleng said, "We cannot forget that we are still directly connected to 2 affected neighboring states, Assam and Manipur, and even share international border with Myanmar." In this, Zeleng urged every citizen to cooperate with the government in the fight against COVID-19, while also expressing fear that if we fail to contain this deadly pandemic, then sicknesses and deaths may not spare any one of us, irrespective of political party affiliation, race, creed, religion, or social strata. He said, in this battle against COVID-19, there are several individuals and groups across the country contributing generously, but not everyone can contribute in monetary forms. But saying that everyone can contribute in saving the society by staying at home, Zeleng urged the people to choose to stay at home if they love themselves and their people. In what could be a positive response at a time when our state is facing with acute shortages of face masks due to the outbreak of coronavirus pandemic, the government Polytechnic Kohima have come up with mass production of the face mask. Principal of Government Polytechnic Kohima, Rutso, speaking to AIR News Kohima, said the work started on 28th of last month under the initiative of Minister for Higher and Technical Education and Tribal Affairs, Temjan Imna Along. He informed that the minister had bought about 4,000 meters of non-woven surgical clothes and other materials required to make the surgical mask for the state. He said initially 6 faculty members started a project of cutting and stitching of masks. However, due to the huge demand, the students were called to help them. As such, some students are working in the institute while some are working from home. He said around 50 people have been mobilized in producing the surgical mask. Though they initially started with 2 layers mask, they have now started the production of 3 3-layered mask as per the medical recommendations. So far, around 2,000 masks have been made and are expected to produce around 3,000 masks in a day. Appreciating the students and the faculty members who are working beyond their duty in making effort to bring security to the people, the minister, along, has urged the people to use it wisely. He further appealed everyone to stay home, use minimum resources for optimum output, and urged for social distancing, which is the need of the hour. Nagaland government has nominated its Joint Secretary for Tribal Affairs, Rahul Mali, as the nodal officer for stranded migrant laborers and daily wage earners in the state for various mitigation arising out of COVID-19 pandemic situation. For assistance, the officer can be contacted through mobile number 9284488068. I repeat, 9284488068 or telephone number 0370-2291122. I repeat, 0370-2291122. And a total 2,547 confirmed cases of coronavirus have been registered in the country. Health and Family Welfare Ministry has confirmed that out of the total, there are 2,322 active cases, while 162 patients have been cured and 62 deaths reported in the country till 6 p.m. yesterday. With that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.